Hello, all, and welcome to your very own Tech and More. I'm excited to have you join us as we kick off our brand new Salesforce CPQ Cloud playlist, especially for beginners. Now, whether you're an admin, a business analyst, a quality analyst, a developer, or simply someone eager to build your Salesforce CPQ Cloud skills, this series is for you. Today, we are starting with our first episode, that is the introductory episode. And we have our guest who is Devdutt. He is going to take this entire series ahead. He brings real world expertise to the table, that's for sure. Now, together, we'll unpack the essentials of the CPQ cloud. And of course, we'll explore some practical scenarios and share insights on them. Uh, this series is helpful for you to grow independent of your role, so don't worry about it. Now, I will stop blabbering and give the podium to the guest of the hour, which is who is Devdutt. So, thank you so much for being here, Devdutt, and I'm really delighted to have you here.
Thank you so much, Chaitanya. Let's start.
Sure.
I'll share my screen.
Yeah.
This is an introductory video we are
Okay.
going to have initial start of the series.
Mhm.
So this particular series of CPQ is basically for someone who is not familiar with how CPQ cloud works,
Correct.
or someone who is expert, also expert in CPQ.
Correct.
So we'll go through a real-time scenarios and how CPQ works and how it really helps in real-time use cases
Correct.
in our day-to-day life.
Correct.
So moving forward.
Sure.
So this is an introductory course, as I mentioned earlier. Like we'll discuss some key features, that is configure, price, quote, uh, in this series, basically.
Okay.
So let's understand what Salesforce CPQ is.
Okay.
So Salesforce CPQ stands for configure, price, quote.
Mhm.
Configure is something configuring products. So
Okay.
we'll have multiple products into Salesforce CPQ, for example, like laptop or say mobile, like
Right.
iPhone 16.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So we have to configure the products in the Salesforce CPQ system,
Right.
so that it would be easy for the sales representative to navigate through the CPQ system and select those products
Correct.
uh, to eventually create a quote,
Correct.
uh, so that we can share that codes to our customers.
Mhm.
Then comes to pricing.
Yeah.
So of course, if we have a product, we have a certain price for it.
Correct.
Uh, so pricing includes discounts, then additional discounts depending on the quantity you select.
True.
Or say CPQ also gives you features that if we have a certain number of quantity,
Mhm.
uh, say if we categorize between 10 to 15, we
Correct.
have a certain amount fixed for that particular product.
Okay. Okay.
So pricing gives you that benefit,
Yes.
in short.
Mhm.
Then codes. So codes are generally polished codes quickly to reduce error and cycle times. So
Correct.
those codes are shared real time to the customers in the in a PDF format or maybe a particular format which is shared. So this helps to go through what products are included, what codes are there
Correct.
in real time. Okay.
Correct. Correct.
Moving forward.
Got it. Okay.
So we'll go through key challenges Salesforce CPQ solves.
Mhm.
So in a real-time scenarios, the sales representative will go through inaccurate pricing and manual errors while creating codes. Say we have a mistake while creating a code, like some zeros are added more. So that might create a blunder.
True. True.
Uh, yeah. Then complex product configuration, like certain products has to go through with some particular product. Like if we have a printer, a laser jet printer or an inkjet printer,
Mhm.
so that printer has to go with a particular bundle, like some toner or maybe a bundle of paper. So that has to go with a certain bundle.
Correct.
So that CPQ helps us to configure those products.
Correct.
Then slow code generation, which we follow our legacy system, uh, like creating codes through Excel. We
Mm.
have to go through multiple Excel, then send those codes through email.
Correct.
So this saves times and it certainly helps the sales representative to create a code through CPQ. So
True.
that makes our life easy. Yeah.
Okay.
Why learn Salesforce CPQ Cloud? So it streamlines sales, boost revenue and efficiency, and in-demand skill. In-demand skill is just because nowadays, like if we go through the codes, so most of the time we don't have real-time prices. Like sometimes things happen that the products cost increases on day-to-day basis.
Mm-hmm.
So here we can amend those prices when the requirement is there,
Mm-hmm.
and that will certainly help the business altogether. And this definitely creates efficiency in the business processes.
So all in all, learning Salesforce CPQ Cloud is a good idea because it's a high demand skill set, and a lot of
Exactly.
organizations are looking for people who know the CPQ Cloud.
Exactly.
Got it. Got
So,
it.
key features and benefits, we'd understand the key features and benefits which is there.
Mhm.
So, the Salesforce CPQ sits on top of Sales Cloud.
Okay.
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 So it ensures correct pricing and product compatibility. Integrate with Salesforce CRM for a unified workflow.
Hmm.
Supports dynamic discounting and automated approvals and customized templates.
Right. Right.
So, these are the altogether features which we have in Salesforce CPQ.
Right.
So real-time use cases,
Mhm.
that means what in day-to-day life we have multiple industries like technology companies use it for software bundles, or maybe if you are selling some hardwares like iPhones, or
Correct.
maybe computer hardwares like laptops, printers, etc. Then manufacturing industry, like manufacturing a few products like say semiconductor, these kind of industries also uses it to share precise and accurate quotes to the end customers. And the service industry also uses it, if we have a restaurant, and if you want to show real-time prices and what is the availability, so we can showcase those everything into Salesforce
Correct.
CPQ. Yeah.
Correct. Correct. Got it.
So we'll understand Salesforce CPQ process flow.
Okay.
Uh, so it all starts with the our favorite objects, that is accounts and opportunities.
Yeah.
Then the products comes up.
Correct.
We have to configure those products
Mhm.
on the system. Later on, then we have to calculate the pricing assigned to it, apply some accurate discounts. Then if we have any markup prices, or maybe any additional calculation, complex calculation, everything is done on Salesforce CPQ platform itself.
Got it.
Uh, then we have to generate a quote. uh, the quote has personalized touch to it, like branding like the company's logos, then terms and conditions which is included,
Correct.
whether what is the duration that particular product can be retained, or in case there's a product fault, what has to be mentioned in that particular quote.
Correct.
Everything is mentioned in the same thing
Okay.
in the document, and we can personalize it according to our requirement.
Mhm.
And then moving forward, we can have the orders and contract. So after we share the quote, we can also have we can also integrate Adobe Sign and a DocuSign
Okay.
to get an approval, certain approval for that particular quote.
Okay.
Then we can move forward to create orders and contracts altogether.
Got it.
Yes.
Got it.
So this is the basic flow which we have.
So,
Create an
I have a question here. When you say this about this process flow, from where will it start? From the opportunity?
Yes.
Okay.
We'll start with the opportunity. Then an account is created.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, accounts and contacts object, which is there.
Mm-hmm.
Then we go through the product configuration cycle, like adding those bundles. Say in case if we have iPhone 16, and we are all familiar that we don't get iPhone adapter,
Correct.
and we just get the power
Yeah.
cable, I think.
Yeah.
So
True.
say in case if we want to go ahead with the buds
Mm-hmm.
or like the adapter, we can configure the product bundle.
Okay.
Then moving on to the pricing. So say in case we have a very valuable customer, long time customer, and we want to give some additional discounts
Correct.
to them.
Yeah.
Like sometimes it happens. So the sales cycle goes through additional discounts,
Correct.
like pricing and discount. Then moving forward, we share that particular codes in a particular format,
Correct.
which will have the branding, the precise precise calculations which is there, what kind of discounts are applied on the bill, on the final bill. Then we get a uh, electronic signature, as I mentioned, through DocuSign or Adobe Sign.
Correct. Correct.
Then it gets transferred to contracts,
Mhm.
and the contracts are created. Add-on codes and orders are somewhat like sometimes everyone has some mistakes in particular code. So say in case if you want to go through some amendments
Correct.
on the code. So in this segment, in the CPQ's process flow, we have to go through, we can make the necessary changes to that. And as we have some subscriptions also. So
Mhm.
there are subscription products and non-subscription products in Salesforce CPQ. So say in case any renewal of contract is necessary,
Mhm.
we can also go through that contract renewal.
Got
So
it.
this cycle goes on and on through CPQ,
Mhm.
and it's completely automized.
Got
Definitely saves time and uh, like uh, enhance productivity of our business
Yeah.
altogether. Yeah.
I think this is very helpful, this entire process, because when you understand this in this format of graphic, you sort of get the entire idea of the life cycle. So yeah, this is good.
Yeah. Yes. So now we'll understand what we are going to go through in this particular series. So we have completed with the introduction to Salesforce CPQ and its course overview.
Correct.
We'll go through basic navigation and how to set up the CPQ settings we have to configure.
Okay.
Then we'll go through product and price book management, how products are added on CPQ, how we can configure as a bundle,
Mhm.
etc. Then we'll go through codes and quote line editor, how to perform quote, how to format those quote, say
Correct.
in case we want to get some amendments.
Correct.
Then configuration rule and advanced bundling, how it happens, we'll go through it.
Correct.
Then pricing and discount and approvals. Approvals are very important in terms of say in case any unnecessary or unauthorized approvals can't be there because it is highly impacting on business.
True. True.
So we'll also go through standard and advanced approvals process as well.
Mhm.
Uh, so there is a difference between standard and advanced approvals. Then code templates and document generation. As we mentioned, we can have different codes,
Correct.
code templates. I mean,
Yeah.
like we can have email templates. So here we can have code templates, and then integration and best practices. So integration, like so that we can get real-time prices from a third-party system or a billing system.
Mhm.
So we'll understand how integration works because we can't be that platform independent. We have to connect the CPQ cloud to a different third-party
True.
application.
True.
And then we'll go through real-world scenarios and demos, how it works, like how in real-time scenarios, CPQ makes our life easy and for the sales flow, sales representative altogether. Yeah.
This looks amazing. And can you just go back to the slide? Yeah, thank you. So viewers, I can assure you that me and Devdutt, we have done our research and we have come up with this course outline, all guided by Devdutt. That is, if you are a beginner in CPQ Cloud and if you want to learn everything, these are the topics that would suffice. And going forward in the playlist, we'll have the videos for every topic. So for example, video number 2 for basic navigation and setup, video number 3 for product and price book management, and so on. Everything that will be discussed in these videos or in this particular playlist course will all be backed by examples. So it's not just theory. Devdas is actually going to share his screen, show the CPQ cloud in action in reality, show you the examples. Everything will be done on the Salesforce org. Nothing will be theoretical. So if you are someone who's planning to learn CPQ with practical real-time knowledge, this is the place to be. So let's go to the
Okay,
next.
let's move to the next slide here. So what you'll achieve, uh, you'll navigate confidently and master the Salesforce CPQ cloud interface,
Correct.
certainly. Create and manage codes, get accurate codes with ease.
Correct.
Integrate CPQ seamlessly. So connect CPQ with broader business needs.
Okay.
Uh, like apply rules and workflows, so automate process for enhance efficiency.
Mm.
So we'll go through all those things. So now our journey begins. Uh, like we'll go through all these things in detail altogether, and certainly we'll navigate all those things on Salesforce CPQ Cloud, bit so that it would be easy for a layman to understand as well. Yeah.
True. So I think that graphic of someone winking to you as a viewer would definitely help. So it's going to be interesting. It's going to be fun, viewers. And this was the introductory video because we wanted to give you the context around the course, the outline, and everything, and around CPQ as well. So I hope that this video helps you in understanding the intent for the further or of the upcoming videos. So from the next video, we're going to start with the actual hands-on learning on Salesforce CPQ Cloud. So me and Devdutt, we both hope to see you there. Thank you. Thank you, Devdutt. See you in the next video.
Thank you.